Okay, here we are sitting off, missing about 4 that were going to be here. Another cold January morning, urban hike. Flora Johnston Nature Park Trails, Irondale, Alabama. Okay, so here we go, up the hill. I was hoping this path went around the bottom of it, but I guess not. Well, that's good. We have some benches and stuff. Well, you can see we have quite a rock climb here. This is good.
Rose garden used to be. What? The rose garden? No, rose garden's far over.
It's good to be pushed a little.
Big.
What'd you lose your lipstick?
Men's cap. Oh God, I just bought it. Now lost it, or yeah, I just now lost it. It was on earlier. Oh, so I just left it like recently, and I don't have it.
This is a pretty nice place to be so urban. Somebody's dog in their backyard. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if YouTube wants that on there or not.
They've got billboards up now with Trump. They got a picture of a real bird right on the thing.
Oh good, the switchbacks are starting. Heading back down to the urban civilization. Well, I wonder how far that goes that way. Well, there's some more, but we're not taking it. Going down. Yeah, some trees through here. We're having a bad day. Somebody came and cut this out, thankfully.
That's a biggie.
Man, there's your bear hole there. Holy cow, trees down through here everywhere.
This is a beach. I wish I were at the beach.
This is Double Down. Lindy Double Down. I don't know. Anyway, here's a cool little rock structure for some reason. Anybody have a clue what this is all about? That'd be a cool little kid's fort back in the day.